Hey guys, Adrian here from TechSocial.com, and today we're taking a look at Grokr. And this is an awesome search engine that it's not even it's a search engine that takes relative results based off of your accounts and stuff that's relevant to you, and gives you information all in one cool feed that is just super integrated, and now allows you to do less searching and just more content consumption. It's really great because it's autonomous. It does a lot of stuff automatically, predictive searching, and once you sign up once you first install the app, it asks you for stuff like your Twitter username, your Facebook, and that way you can gather information of what you're interested in, and stuff that would be relative to you, for example. Now, for example, to look at your tweets, to look at the things you're interested in, like technology, lists, etc. It gathers all the information and presents it all to you in this awesome search application. It allows you to do less searching and just more, again, consumption of that data that you're really into. So once you sign up, it also asks you for stuff like location, and notification access. So if you give it that, it can also do a couple other things here, which I'm going to show you. First off, you click on the top left, you get your account here. You can see I put my Twitter account in. You can see your home, my places, which will just show places like where if you've arrived or anywhere. This you can see I visited a place earlier, and I was able to use the location to put in there if you have your location services turned on. You can see your account, so you can go to my accounts. You can see here I connected my Twitter account right here, so you can stop using this Twitter name if you want. And again, this just allows your Grokr to get that personalized experience for you. Allows that also goes into interest, so you can see here it has interest based on some stuff, and you can tap on my interest. You can see a lot of the stuff that it already puts in, and this is all just kind of based on stuff that I follow, people I tweet maybe. And if I want to get rid of something, for example, I can just easily click that exit right there, that X, take it out of my interests. I can also add interest by simply adding topics or sources, for example, if I want to do that. Going back here, you can also see you can support them, the developers of this application, along with going into the About if you want to see more information about this location and context-based service that gives you personalized data and all that. And it's really awesome. So I'm going to go into the home feed, and this is what's the best part about it. So you can see here's a search that I searched earlier. I searched for Apple iMac. And you can see here I can remove it, keep it, or refresh if there's any new search results based off of this. You can see other articles related to this. So you can see Wikipedia articles, the official Apple.com. I can click on this, and it goes into this little kind of base browser. I can click on it again and actually go into the site here and browse throughout the the website here. Full browsing experience. You can swipe left or right also if you want to go back there in a sense. Alright, let me go back to this home tab and also show you the other stuff. So you can see here, it also has traffic around me. Based off of that location-based services, it can show me if there's any traffic report problems. Again, this is just based off the location. I didn't have to tell it, if I was looking for any traffic issues. It just tells me right away, and that's awesome. It's really relative. You can see here I also arrived at a place earlier, and you can see I can tap in yes or no if I want to save this place. So it knows when I arrived at a new location. You can see here it puts my weather automatically in. I can get an extended forecast if I want to. I can see the chances of rain in the upcoming days. I also get news thrown into my my feed here. So I get headlines. I can see headlines about certain stuff that I may be interested in, just relative news. I can see what's trending on the web. Currently via Twitter, you can see that. I can also keep on going through the trends by clicking this next arrow. I can see my trending topics related to my Twitter account. So you can see here, I can see some celebrities, music. Again, this is based off of iTunes. You can see stuff. It takes data off of artists I have maybe in my iTunes library. So you can see here Twitter and iTunes, and these are just a couple of the artists I have in my actual library there. Under movies, you can see upcoming movies, playing movies, theater movies, and again, this is all automatically populated. You don't have to go and manually put this stuff in or add any of this. There's also recommended, so I have like 2012's biggest winners and losers. You can see recommended articles here. Additionally, I also have, you can see all the feeds here showing the RSS stories. I can read there. If I want to read an app, or if I want to read an article, I can simply click on one. And again, it opens in a full browser, and I can just kind of flip through and go through the content here. So really, really awesome. And then from there, I can go out and actually share it if I want to. So again, this is just all relative information to me. This is just as soon as I sign in, and if I actually want to make a search, I can click on the top right and search the internet for a topic. So again, I can search, for example, coffee, let's say, for example. So I'm drinking coffee right now. I can search for coffee, and what it'll do is it'll get me my results, and it'll put them right into my feed. And then from there, I can get a constant update about coffee and, latest stuff coming in about it. I can remove it, I can keep it. I can pin it if I want to keep it and stuff like that. So that's really, really awesome. So if you want to track something, if you want to track a topic, you can easily search it and then keep it and pin it to your feed. And again, everything just kind of comes in automatically and it updates as you do certain stuff. So if you move from place to place with your location services turned on, if you want to get constant weather updates, everything is customizable. And again, you can switch locations here. It's just really, really awesome. And you can go into the headlines to read your news, and you can see here the multiple stories as you go through. Awesome, awesome, app. Awesome interface. You can see it's really clean and minimal, which I really like about the user interface. And again, you can go back in here and search through the other panes, and you can add more accounts to get more relative information, like your Facebook. You can check through your interests and my places to kind of tailor more relative content to you. Overall, it's a really awesome application. Check it out in the App Store today. Grokr, whatever you want to call it. It is an awesome search engine. Just experience overall. Contextual based system where it takes all the stuff that's relative to you and presents it in an easy to read interface. Thanks for watching.